All right, let's go into the next step, which is going to be the shoulder rotation. First, we summarize what we did so far with our 1.5 grip, slight knee bend for the waiting position and the left hand on the racket. Now you're going to see why the left hand on the racket is important. We're going to get that shoulder turn is going to come from both actually turning the shoulders and pulling the racket with the left hand. So we're going to bring the racket behind us using the left hand. I show you from the side, okay, imagining that the net is in front of me right now. I'm going to turn and bring my racket back. Use the left hand in order to pull the racket, and by the time I'm done with that position, my shoulder line is now facing, or we're going to try to get it to face as close as possible the side fence when my feet haven't moved and are still facing the net. Notice that as I bring my racket to the side, my racket is above my wrist right now. Very important. We're going to use that position later on in order to get some acceleration. But very important that the racket, when we bring it to the side, the racket head comes up above our hand and our wrist. Show you from the side one more time. From the waiting position, we get our shoulder rotation. You also see why we had that slight knee bend, because if I get my legs straight, it's actually hard for my body to twist enough to be facing the side fence. With my slight knee bend, very easy to get that rotation. This is how we end that third step on shoulder rotation.